Renovating a house can be one of the most exciting and stressful projects you'll ever take on. If you're watching this, you're probably planning a renovation or right in the middle of one. Before you dive in, let me share the 5 things I wish I'd known before I started renovating my own home. 1. Budgeting always costs more than expected. Here's the truth. Whatever budget you've set, add at least 15% for unexpected expenses. Whether it's discovering dodgy wiring or needing to pay extra for permits, there's always something. And in the UK, factors like VAT and rising material costs can catch you off guard. 2. Get the right permissions. In Britain, not every renovation requires planning permission, but you'd be surprised how many do. Extensions, loft conversions, and even alterations to a listed property often need approval from your local council. Check before you start, or you might face hefty fines or worse, be forced to undo all your hard work. 3. Find tradespeople you can trust. Don't just go with the cheapest quote. Do your research, ask for recommendations, read reviews, and, if possible, visit previous projects. Hiring a trustworthy builder in the UK can make or break your renovation. Believe me, peace of mind is worth every penny. 4. Think about energy efficiency. In the UK, energy costs are skyrocketing, so think about upgrades like insulation, double-glazed windows, or even solar panels. Not only will these reduce your bills, but they'll also add value to your home when you decide to sell. 5. Be realistic about timelines. Your renovation might take longer than you planned. Delays are common whether it's waiting for materials, bad weather, or tradespeople with packed schedules. Set realistic expectations and don't rush decisions just to meet a tight timeline. Renovating your home is a journey full of challenges and rewards. By keeping these 5 tips in mind, you can avoid common pitfalls and make your dream home a reality. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips tailored for the UK.